Brio Moderna UV self-cleaning bottleless water cooler dispenser with filtration. Set your water to the desired temperature for the perfect drink. An illuminated panel displays child lock, a digital clock, a nightlight, and more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Illuminate hydration. Never overfill or spill water when dispensing from Brio Moderna. The bright night light illuminates the dimmest environment, so refill your cup late at night. Number 2. Clear digital display. Clear and bright, the digital display can easily be seen night or day. See the temperature setting, time, and notifications, so always know the status of your water. Number 3. Unmatched quality. The attractive sleek finish is made of superior quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring that you have only the finest cooler on the market. Rest assured that the self-cleaning ozone feature thoroughly cleans your cooler. Number 4. Premium filters. High-quality filters are at the heart of any premium cooler. Brio ensures that only the finest filters are used in each cooler, providing only premium hydration to satisfy a wide range of needs. Number 5. Specialized filtration. Each filter is designed to purify water to its natural state. The specialized filters ensure that only the purest water is in your cup. Number 6. Ditch the plastic. Eliminate the need for single-use water bottles and invest in a sustainable source of pure water. Invest in quality hydration. Invest in the global well-being. Invest in Brio. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. In the Moderna filtered unit, where does the water come from? Answer. The unit needs to be connected to your water line. It filters the water coming from your water source. Question number 2. Can this be used with pre-filtered, softened well water? Answer. Yes, it can. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.